What is Sam doing over there? Damn. Shoe Sam.
We're up to nitrous.
You put nitrous in it?
We went up to 75 more shot.
Bro.
Oh, but Texas cars are fast. There's no Cali here.
I know. You watching my vlog?
Yeah, bro, I'm a big fan. What's up,
Bro?
brother? How
Thank
are
you, bro. I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you. I'm gonna watch the whole ad so you get paid out, brother.
Yeah, watch the whole ads. All the ads. This is DME, right?
Yeah.
The shop right here in Texas.
What's up?
What the? Is that a Texas cat? You gonna race more people today?
Maybe. I'm not me or Joseph racing.
I can race. I'll drive it. Anyways, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today is day 2 of the Texas vlogs. Day 2 of TX2K. We're gonna head to the track right now, but Sam wanted to. What do you want to do? Make it faster?
I'm watching your vlog, brother.
Ariel's still watching my vlogs. Shout out to Ariel. But like I said, Sam wanted to turn up his car more before we head to the track. Of course, Sam wants to turn it up more. Last night, I don't know if I put it in the vlog or not, but it kind of overheated. So I'm pretty sure he fixed that issue too. They have a bunch of sick cars here though. Look, Bentley. That's a big body right there, bro. That's a limo. Another Bentley. Sheesh. Oh, you guys see what I see? McLaren's everywhere. That one's sick. I guess they work on a lot of like high-end supercars and high-end cars. It's pretty sick. I've been seeing a lot of funny plates over here in Texas. Bye, Mom. And I feel like the Texas plates are sick. I don't know if this is stock or not, but look, it's carbon fiber. Do they actually make carbon fiber license plates here in Texas? That's sick. Got some Range Rovers, some Porsches, some BMWs, F80. The old Joseph Najas. David? My boy David's in Texas too. This is a big one, bro. Look how big that shit is. Damn, look at the Aventador, guys. Sick. Oh my God, there's a GTR back there, look. Alright guys, so Sam's gonna get the E30 all washed.
I'm gonna wash it myself.
But we found this random GTR back here. It looks like an abandoned GTR.
Shout out to Andy the Barber for showing us the GTR in the back.
Andy the Barber? That shit is crazy. What?
Guys, do not buy a GTR.
Why?
It's gonna end up like this. With a broken transmission. And 9 years later too.
Abandoned?
Abandoned.
Bro, it looks abandoned. It's so
Black
sad.
Black edition. Stop the hate, bro.
Dusty edition.
Sam hates GTRs, guys.
Take it home. Walk.
This thing for sure needs a car wash, though. Look at that. Damn, my boy has no tires. Just kidding. They're supposed to be like that. Slicks, pretty much. After this, we're gonna head to the track and see some more racing today. It's gonna be lit. Sheesh, bro. That is insane. Bro, why are you scared? Sam washed his car just to go in the rain.
Put that to the track.
And we're about to drive an hour to the track on slicks. Wish us luck.
Don't say that shit, bro.
Orion's so scared of Sam's car.
Everyone keeps saying drive safe, like.
We're not driving safe. Just for Arion.
Bro.
Come on, bro.
Now we are having so much fun. TX2K 2023. We are out here. DME 412 Motors. This age Christ. I got PTSD. I grew up in Detroit, Michigan. Y'all don't know nothing about Detroit, Michigan. What do you think about that? Honestly, it's scary. I grew up in Detroit, Michigan. I'm having PTSD right now.
From the last clip to now, probably like 8 hours went by, guys. The last clip I think I got was us in Sam's car, and he drifted that corner on the way out, and we were on the way to the track. You can hear at the end of that video, but there's like a break, bro. Something happened. I think the diff cover broke or snapped. We were at the shop for like 8 hours after that, stuck trying to fix his car, and now we are here at the track finally, bro. It was actually been raining the whole entire day, and it finally stopped, so there was no racing going on anyway, so we didn't miss anything. Sheesh. Definitely cleaner than mine. Look, guys, this is the owner of it. Bro, I was literally looking at it, I was like, damn, this thing is beautiful. What? Red interior?
Yeah.
I've never seen an E36 with red interior. You definitely did this yourself, right?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yep.
That shit's super clean. Well, nice car, bro. And he watches my videos too.
I do.
All the way from Texas.
Lock it too.
Hey, we are back on the track. Literally on the drag strip. Got a super right there and a bunch of drag racing. You can tell the difference between yesterday with all like the supercars that are roll racing compared to the drag cars. These are drag racing cars. You can just tell. More muscle cars, more Mustangs, more V8s, of course. Damn, bro. There's some crazy cars here. Texas just keeps surprising me, bro. Everyone just got like multiple parachutes on. I cannot wait to see these cars race right now, guys. S2000? God damn. I wonder what kind of motor this has in it. Jeez, bro. Look at that. These guys are wild. Oh yeah, S2000 motor still. That's a drag racing car right there. Look at the exhaust. More Supras. Wow, that shit is beautiful. I don't even know what to record, guys. I'm just keeping the camera rolling because, as you guys can see, every single car is just built so crazy. This is hard with the neon. I like this, bro. That's sick. Yo, it doesn't even smell like 85. That's some different gas right there. God damn, look at the exhaust. I have yet to find a GTR, guys. Where are the GTR guys at? Damn. 2JZ? Does it really have a 2JZ in there? S15 drag car? There's no way, bro. Usually you see S15s like all drifted out, but this is a freaking drag racing S15. Bro, look at it. There's literally stickers. Not even real headlights. That's how you know it's a real race car. It's literally perfect. Brand new tires on it, look. Bro, this is so sick. My favorite. GTRs just look so good, guys. This event, low-key, like, made me confirm that I'm probably not gonna sell my GTR anytime soon, guys. They just look so good, bro. And one day I want to make mine like one of these guys. One day I want to make 1,000 horsepower on my GTR, I promise. At least 1,000. This one probably makes like 2,000. I found the jackpot, bro. Look at this. Finally, I found some GTRs. Look at these builds, guys. First of all, this color is beautiful. I would not change anything on this car. We got the exhaust coming out the side fender. Carbon fiber seats. Probably has a parachute. Yup. Carbon fiber everywhere. And then no exhaust, of course, because it comes out the fender. Same with this one. Oh my God, dude. I don't know which one's better. Should we sand black my GTR? I think we might do it. After seeing this one. Sorry, guys. I know I've been just spamming GTR content these past couple of days, but I can't help it. These are my dream cars, my favorite cars. God damn, bro. The turbo just spinning in the bottom. All you hear is the turbo going. I mean, I think it's turbo or maybe pro charge. Whatever it is, it sounds crazy. These Supers are just so crazy. This might be my favorite. I like the no wing on it. That's why there's so many Supers, guys, because it's a 2JZ class first. So it's all 2JZ everything. We're literally on the track, bro. I'm going to have the best footage for you guys. Everybody. that crazy S15. Fully dragged out, bro. I want to see this thing do a burnout. Hey!
Nick, man, you already know the vibe.
All the way from New York, bro.
I gotta go to Cali, bro.
I've never seen like drag racing this close, guys. Bro, what the fuck, dude? That shit is loud, dude. Can't believe I'm standing like right here in front of the. These are literally making a pot right now. Who has a $100 bill in there?
So this is the exhibition here.
God damn, bro. Oh my God, look at the exhaust. It's gonna be so loud. Did my boy win his $100? Quick little $100. My boy's hyped. You're really so happy over the $100 he won. I think they're gonna shut it down, guys, because of rain. How does it rain during the week of Texas 2K? Our mood right now. That's how we all feel, bro. It's starting to rain even more. They might shut it down for the rest of the night. That sucks, bro. I want to see this drag racing so bad. We only got to see just a little bit, and there's still probably like 100 cars lined up ready to drag race. Hopefully the rain stops. Hopefully they don't cancel it for the night, but we'll see. 2,000 horsepower and rain just don't mix well.
Ultimately, make the decision.
They're trying to make the decision, guys, if they're gonna keep it going tonight or they're gonna cancel and just keep going tomorrow morning. The DME/412 booth, their black RA is here, and this thing is supposedly like 1,500 horsepower. Twin turbo, fire. He stopped when I went. The SWAT team? These booths are funny. In the all black Escalades. Look like some mafia shit right there. Then we got the all black big body S-Class too to go with it.
Man, shut up.
Listen, guys. Unfortunately, they're done for the night. Damn it, bro. That's the only drag racing we get to see tonight. I don't know what else we have planned tonight, but if we do end up doing something else, I'll make sure to vlog it. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow morning for day 3 of Texas 2K, but that wraps up day 2 of Texas 2K. Today was kind of a fail, honestly. It's just the rain messed up everything today. Everything. Oh, GTRs. It's so sick. These cars are insane. You guys are getting texted, you just run into random cars. Bro, that shit is sick. Alright, so fire, guys. We just made it to their hotel, but they're trying to get in VIP parking. Oh my god, Ariane, wait till you see what's around this corner. A Nismo GTR. What the? Look at this. Freaking Bugatti Chiron, all green carbon fiber. Next to a little Bugatti thing. That's why it's more expensive than my GTR right there. You like that one? Why does he not like, Joseph or Sam does not like GTRs, guys. I don't know how you could hate this. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Got the two DME cars right here. This one's sick. You guys got mad because I didn't film it enough in the last vlog. SF90, $1 million car. He's the owner right there, and he was telling me that it makes 1,000 horsepower stock, guys. That is wild, huh? Badass wheels on it. Next to the 1,500 horsepower R8. This is crazy though. In the middle of the hotel, there's just a random showcase with the Bugatti here. I wonder whose car that is. This is a new place.
TX2K. Got SF90s outside, Bugattis.
This is Joseph's new house, guys.
Should I swim?
Imagine.
It's needed.
This is lit though, guys. Look at it. Houston's been crazy. Texas has been crazy, guys. This whole trip is just insane.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.